are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
Great. Where are you from?
I'm from Ghaziabad.
Okay. Have you ever had a session with me before?
Yes, yes.
How have you been?
I'm great.
Great. How is everything going?
Everything is going good. I'm going to college, and this
Colleges
time,
are opened.
yeah, yeah,
Oh, okay. So you're physically going to colleges. How is the experience?
yeah. It's like it's been 2 months. We are going college offline, so it's good.
It's been 2 months.
Yeah, our college started from like 18th August, or I think 18th September.
They already started in September.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Okay. So it has already been 2 months. Now it's useless to ask how's the thing going inside the college. So
Yeah.
let's forget that.
So, like today, like I have some question, like people facing problem while speaking English. It's
Which
like a
people?
Q&A.
Which
Like
people?
we are everyone.
You are
Yeah.
talking about yourself or a group of people you've talked to?
Like I'm on YouTube, so maybe people are watching
Oh,
me, so they also
okay.
face this problem. So these are question for them, like for beginner who are started speaking
Hmm.
English, so they can like. Okay,
Hmm.
so shall we
So you have
start?
questions from beginners who are on your channel.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
So
please go ahead.
it's like about your journey, like journey. What are the things like that you did while speaking English? Like how you started? Like what are the
Yeah.
problem that you face and then you overcome?
Hmm. See, for me, it was all about the environment that I got.
Okay.
Okay. Because these days, whatever learners we get here, the biggest problem is that they do not have an appropriate environment. And
Yeah.
that becomes kind of an obstacle, right? So for me, it was entirely different because I'm from an English medium school. My entire education has been in English. My teachers, my friends, everybody used to talk just in English.
Oh,
But being from an Indian background, we all are. Nobody talks in English at my place. Nobody. We all speak in Hindi. Okay.
yeah.
So for me, it was always the only thing was that you have to talk whatever you're talking English because the only environment I got was in school and with my friends or with my teachers. But just like everybody else, from initially, I was like scared to death that I will
Okay.
never talk in English. So I used to hide from my teachers, like, please don't ask me a question in English. Otherwise, I would have to answer it in English. And I
Yeah.
cannot do that. It will be a disaster here. But my father, he played a big role. He turned everything into English. He turned my cartoons, my shows, my books, newspapers, everything into English. He didn't allow us to watch anything in Hindi. So he was
Oh,
like, whatever you're watching, watch it in English or don't watch it at all. So he played a
yeah,
great
like
role in giving
watching
us
English
that
movie
knowledge.
helps a lot
It
in
does.
speaking. Yeah.
That's how I have learned. I
Yeah,
have learned
also.
the language by watching movies and web series.
Yeah, I
That's
also learned from watching movies. Like first movie I watched like Flash. It has 7 seasons, and I watch all the seasons. So it helps a lot because the conversation they like they are daily conversation which we can also use and we can also learn from movies.
Mm, of
Yeah.
course. See, when you watch web series and movies, you target three things.
Okay.
First is the vocabulary, of course, you get to know new words.
Hmm.
Second is the pronunciation, the way it has to be pronounced. You listen to those things and you catch them out. And third is the sentence structure, how the sentences are being formed. So these three things are already targeted when you are a continuous movie or a web series watcher.
Okay. So next question is like while speaking, we are started speaking, so our mind goes blank. Words are not coming in our mind. So what can we do to remove it? Like
This is a myth that people who are good at English, they never face this problem. That is not true.
okay,
Everybody faces this problem. Okay. It's
okay,
just that who are regular speakers, they would face it once in a while. Others who are not in a regular practice, they would face it more often. That's the only difference. But it's a human mind. Sometimes we don't get words. It's right on our tongue, but we are not able to get it out. So it's a human nature. It can happen to anybody. So I just need to say that it's not like if you're a very fluent speaker, so you will always be fluent. No, once in a while it happens. The glitch is there in human mind that I'm not getting that word. What is that word? I'm not getting it. Being completely blank and not getting the exact word are two different things.
Hmm.
Okay. When you say that I go blank, that is lack of practice because you are nervous.
Yeah.
Inside, you are afraid that what if I speak in the wrong way? That is what makes you blank. Not getting the right word is a human tendency. It's okay. Not getting the right word, we must have forgotten it. That's okay. These two are different. They
Yeah,
fall
lack
different.
of practice is a major issue, because
Major
if we
issue.
are, yeah, we are like speaking continuously, we are speaking
Hmm.
daily, so we are in like our
Practice,
mind is like,
practice.
yeah,
Yeah.
our
Yeah.
mind start working like that, so words are continuously coming, but
Hmm.
if we are like, we don't do that much
Much of
practice.
practice. Yes. So when you are not in a regular touch with the language, it will happen that you will go blank. So practice is important. You have to stay in continuous touch with the language because it is
Yeah.
the ultimate way how you can get out of it.
So like, do you think that overthinking is the major issue that people are not able to speak?
Yes, it's a major issue here. Whenever learners are here and they ask like how we should, start the journey. So I always tell them that first thing is make yourself understand that it's okay to make mistakes.
Yeah.
Everybody does. You are nobody special, right? So you're a human. It's okay to make mistakes. It's just that don't let those mistakes hold you back. Okay. Because there are people who overthink, like, okay, what I'm about to say, I know it is about to come wrong. So it's better I should just keep myself shut.
Yeah.
No, never. Just say it out loud. It's okay. Once you'll make a mistake, 10 times you'll make a mistake, 20 times you'll make a mistake. But after that, you will correct yourself.
Yeah,
But
once
if
you
you're
start
not going to get
practicing.
that one time also, then it's out of the picture. It's not coming back.
Yeah. If you will not try, then how can you be perfect in it?
Exactly. You have to talk. The more you're going to talk, the better you're going to become. Okay. That's the reason why I always tell my learners that it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay. Don't worry about mistakes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, those people like, who don't have friends that they can speak in English, nobody then they can speak to them. So what can they do to be practice in English?
Who are not getting an environment?
Yeah, like I don't have any friend, I don't have anybody to speak in English. So what can I do for that? Like, I can practice with my by myself.
Hmm. See, the speaking practice would ultimately be very low in your case if you do not have a partner.
Hmm.
Okay. So at that point, you are at a disadvantage. Okay. But yes, speaking factor is eliminated. You can definitely go with more of reading, more of listening, more of writing. These things also help. Okay. They can definitely contribute to your learning. I do not watch anything in Hindi, nothing in Hindi at all.
Okay.
Everything that I watch is in English. So I would recommend to people that keep yourself surrounded with the language. Watch everything in English. Don't watch anything in any other language. I mean, once in a while it is necessary because it is their language. I cannot ask them to completely stay deprived of that language. No,
Yeah.
not justified. But try to keep yourself surrounded with English the maximal time.
Yeah, like, Hindi is just, Hindi is language we are like, speaking Hindi from our birth. So
Hmm.
yeah, if we are start involving in English environment, so we get like easily speak in English. If we are
Yeah,
watching, yeah, if we are watching
yeah.
English movies, if we are talking all the time in English, so
In
it,
English.
Yeah, it
And
helps.
you will see that if you get into a continuous habit, you yourself will notice that your number of mistakes, they come down every time. They do come down. It's just that you have to give yourself that chance.
So, like, some people are confused that they should focus on their vocabulary or on their like sentence structuring, or they should learn on tenses, they should learn phrases. So, what they have to focus more? Like, they have to like learn all the things, or any specific thing that they focus?
Never target all the things at once. It will just create a ruckus. Don't.
Okay.
Always go with basics. What is the basics? That
Mm.
your grammar should be correct. The
Okay.
sentence structure you are framing should be correct. Your pronunciation should be correct. Tenses, they come under grammar only. If you're targeting tenses, then your grammar will get better, right? According to me, I think vocabulary, strengthening the vocabulary should come at the last. Okay,
Okay.
like it should be the last step. Why? Because even when you are using a simple set of words, but you're using them correctly, nobody's
Mm.
going to say anything to you, right? What if
Yeah.
you are using big fancy words, but they are used in the wrong way? They are
Or
used in
even
the wrong structure.
yeah, or the person next to you is not understanding that word. So, what's
That
the
word,
point?
exactly. You have to consider a lot of things before you strengthen your vocabulary. Where you are speaking, how you are speaking it, why you are speaking. You have to consider these
Exactly.
questions. You can frame good sentences with simple set of words,
Yeah.
but use them correctly, use them wisely. That is my theory. Everybody has their own theory. This is mine.
Yeah.
And it has worked out wonderfully for me.
So, like, translation is the way that you can speak in English. Like, people are translating Hindi to English, then they speak. So, it's good or bad?
Worst idea ever. Never translate. Never
Okay.
translate. Because you
Because it,
know,
yeah.
rules for grammar are different for Hindi and English.
Hmm.
Sometimes it might happen that you're getting the right sentence. Oh, I translated Hindi into English, I got the right sentence. I'll pick this only. It doesn't happen every time. Avoid translating.
Yeah, because it's a lengthy process. Like, if first you think in Hindi, then you translate it in English, then you will speak. So,
It's
it
time
becomes a lengthy.
consuming.
Yeah, it becomes a lengthy process.
Yeah, that's why. I would
Yeah,
never
but
recommend people for translations. Never go for translations.
yes. Yeah, but
And it's not like it would come wrong every time. Sometimes, or most of the time, you will say that, yeah, I'm getting the right sentences. But it's just that it's not correct. It's not logical.
yeah, but in the beginning, like, people are translating Hindi to English because like they are not that, because their lack of practice. If they practice, then they easily start converting. They Yeah,
Exactly. When you are in a regular practice, you would not even feel the need to translate,
exactly.
You will not even feel the need to translate. Why do you feel the need for translation? Because you're not in a regular practice. So your mind thinks like, okay, अगर मैं हिंदी में कहूँ और इस हिंदी को इंग्लिश कर दूँ, so I'll get the sentence, which is absolutely wrong. Don't do
It's
that.
like a worker who's making buildings. So they are not very careful while making buildings because they are in practice. Their hands are like working and they are like continuously working. But when a beginner is started, so they are very careful that we don't have to make this
Where should
mistake.
I put this brick? Where should I put this cement?
Yeah,
Where exactly should I start the
yeah.
construction thing? A
Like
lot of comparisons are there in the
exactly.
world.
Like you are a doctor, like, so now you are very like fluent and you don't have to think too much to do anything,
Mm.
as compared to your starting.
Yeah, of course. It is related to every field, not just speaking, every field. The more you practice, the better you become.
Yeah,
Okay. So all you have to do is have a little faith in yourself. Tell yourself it's okay to make mistakes. I have to just take that first step. Just take it.
okay, but these are the questions.
Oh, that's it. The Q&A is done.
Yeah.
Okay, these were the questions from your learners. Any questions from your side? Chandan?
Like these are not from learners, these are from my side, but I think
Sorry, your YouTubers, your YouTube audience, right?
yeah, like these questions are like from my side, but I'm thinking from their perspective. Like they are also facing these problems because I'm also learning. So if I'm facing these problems, so they
They
will
must
also.
too be facing this problem. That's
Yeah,
the thinking you have, right? So if I'm facing this problem, so maybe there are a lot of people who would be facing the same kind of problems.
yeah,
So I'm asking these questions on behalf of them as well. Go
yeah.
ahead.
Because I'm think like the best way to learn is from others' experience. So
Of
exactly.
course. Yes. That is why I always recommend the ideas which I have tried and tested on myself. And they
Yeah,
have come out to be good or beneficial. Those are the only things I pass on to others. So if it has benefited me, it will definitely benefit them as well.
yes,
Yeah. What else? That's it.
yeah.
We've come to an end of the Q&A round. It was like I was giving an interview, like you'll pass in this session if you answer all these questions.